When I started trading, I'm always on the lookout for all the time frames to say the same thing before I enter a trade. For instance, I want the weekly to tell me that it's time to is buying, daily buying, 4 hours buying, all of them to say the same thing. But I'm going to find out that that's almost an impossibility in forex, because some time frames I may tell you one thing and another one will tell you another thing. In order to help myself solve that problem, I made up my mind that if I want to enter a trade on any currency pair, if my entry is on 15 minutes, I want to enter a trade on 15 minutes time frame, the two time frames above it must be saying the same thing or giving me a particular direction, the same direction. Any other thing below or above those two time frames, I don't care. Because if you wait for all the time frames to tell you the same thing, you most likely not enter any trade. So let's say, for instance, I want to trade on 15 minutes time frame. Now, the two time frames above 15 minutes is 1 hour and 4 hours. The ones below this is, let's say, 5 minutes and 1 minute. Good. Now, if this is my entry, this is where I want to enter the trade, I will only either pay attention to these three and enter here, or I pay attention to these three and enter here. Because my entry on a normal day is usually 1 hour and 15 minutes. On the case now, let's say Euro GBP, I want to enter on a 1 hour time frame. If this is my entry, my attention is I want the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame to be giving me the same information. If this two is saying sell, I'm looking for a sell here. If this two is saying buy, I'm looking for a buy here. I don't care what this one is saying. I don't care what this one is saying. This will help you avoid a lot of confusion, because if you wait for the time frame to say the same thing, there's something called analysis paralysis. It's a real thing where you've done the analysis, but you don't know what to do. You can explain the market. In fact, I can even teach it. You can explain this is downtrend, the market come here, fair value gap happened, blah, blah, blah. But you don't know what to do actually. Have you experienced something like that? Yes. It's analysis paralysis. And it always happens when you're looking at too much time frames. Don't worry. Just pick three. Pick three, find out the underlying information that the three are giving you, focus on it. And that thing, what that will save you also is second guessing yourself, because you can enter a trade now on 1 hour time frame, and then you now go to 5 minutes time frame, and you now be like, I entered buy. It looks like it's selling here. You now go and close the buy and now sell, and it will now buy. You understand? So just choose 3 time frames. Whatever information is telling you, go with it. Don't second guess yourself. Even if you did anything, just move with it. It will save you a lot of stress, I'm telling you.